Burnt Knob Lookout was a little challenging, they said, but it was worth the ride up. 1 mile. See what the 690 can do. I don't want to pinch a tire. That's the main thing I'm concerned about. Or cartwheel off the mountain. I guess that would be number 1. Now this would be a little challenge on a heavier bike, I would imagine. Doable. You gotta have your, you gotta have some skills, I would recommend, because it probably doesn't look as strenuous on YouTube, as it usually never does on video. I believe I'm in first gear, just creeping. Coming down this is going to be an adventure. Bang. This is good. I was looking to be challenged a little bit. We got it. I wouldn't want to do anything much more than that. Both my hands are tired. Must have been gripping. Must have been doing the death grip. Loosen up, you stay loose. Glad I had that trail mix. Need the energy for this. Didn't have a big breakfast. Surprised if my bags are still on. Look at that cool little campground. Man, that must have been a chore to get that truck up there. Wow. Burnt out lookout. 365 degree of panoramic, unbelievable views. Treacherous road getting up here, but well worth it. Well worth it. Look at that. Mountain ridges after mountain ridges after mountain ridges. Unbelievable. Oh, they got it all boarded up. Now you can look out this. Whoa. The floor's seen better days. Here we go. Going down Burnt Overlook Lookout. I'm probably just gonna go down this with the bike off. Kind of wish I unloaded the bags at the bottom if I knew it was gonna be like this, but we'll give it our best shot. I've been down worse, just not on this bike this loaded. If I'm gonna go down now, might as well have it on camera. I'm gonna need brakes by the time I get down. Probably should do a once over on this thing and make sure I color marked a lot of bolts and put marks, you know, if they loosened up, and all the ones that I've marked haven't moved, but I should do a once over as I've got quite a bit of miles, especially after this. This is just 1 mile, but I've really jostled everything around on this thing. You know, sometimes it's almost better to go a little faster when you're going over terrain like this. When you go too slow, it kind of bumps your tire in a different direction. Not that you should speed demon bomb through it, but just a little comfortable pace. Let's see if I can get enough momentum to go up around that turn. I won't hit the brakes again. Probably should have stopped a long time ago on the brakes. I'll never make it. Oh, probably doing like 20. That's a big turn up there though. Come on! Lean forward. Lean forward. No. Just a bit short. Working up a sweat and I'm going downhill. Whoa, Nelly. Whoa, Nelly. Who was Nelly anyway? Or was she a good horse? Maybe it was in a movie. Whoa. Actually, going down ain't as bad as I thought it was.
We just switched drivers. So.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, which way are you headed? You going all the way through, I'm assuming?
Trying to go to Darby, yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright, nice.
You guys?
We're going to camp somewhere in between.
Going this way, though?
Going that way, yeah.
Man, is that your brakes or my brakes?
And it's probably ours. We even low gear, four low, it was brakes all the way.
Yeah, halfway up, I'm like, man, I should have taken my bags off before I tried that.
Yeah.
But
I'm just glad we met you and not another truck.
Yeah, what would you do, right?
I looked, there was maybe 2 places, and other than that, there wasn't much.
Yeah, that's an interesting. I'm sure it's happened before.
Oh, I'm sure it has. Yeah.
I mean, the guy coming up would have to reverse down the whole way. I mean, the guy can't reverse up all the whole way, I don't think.
Right, no, yeah.
Draw straws, flip a coin.
Yeah.
Where are you guys from?
Seattle area in Washington.
Oh, okay, cool.
I'm assuming you started in like Elk City?
Past Elk City.
Okay.
I camped, yeah, probably about 50 miles from...
but you got plenty of gas, you can make it through?
I can make it to Darby, yeah, because I fueled up in Elk City.
Okay.
I can get about 250, 270.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
I got these external added tanks.
Oh, God. Okay.
Anybody that wants to bring an F-150 up to the top of Burnt Outlet Lookout, do you have any advice?
I was a little doubting a couple of times, but we got so far. It's like, well, it's all the way to the top or nothing.
No turning back, right?
No turning back.
Did you hit the sideboards at all?
I think once.
So it gives a character.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
All right, guys, safe travels.